cut it the wife before. I'm gonna touch it.
You want to tear it? Can you help me tear it?
Here you go, Mimi.
Just tear it into tiny little pieces.
Of this?
Yeah. Just take a piece and just rip it up. As little as you can get it.
You'll have pieces you can't see.
Huh?
You'll have pieces you can't see.
Not that little. You can make them a little bit bigger.
Look at Mimi's pieces, baby.
See how Mimi's pieces are?
Find a big piece and then tear it.
Here's a good piece. You can tear that one up. There's another one.
Look.
Is that hard work? And then once we get it the right size, we're going to throw it in there and then mix it all together. After we add a couple more things.
Are you liking helping Mimi cook?
We've done a lot today, haven't we? Moving right along. Just put them all in a row.
Well, it's my child. OCD.
There's big pieces and rip them up. Rip, 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 rip.
She definitely has her own way. Amaris, can you look here and say Happy Thanksgiving?
Happy Thanksgiving.